Wagwan, wanna dip and welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. If I hear the voice, I don't know, say Bones that you represent, you see it. And yo, Queenie finally break her silent about Sikka rhyme, you see me? Yeah, man, for at least I come and pretend on her live yesterday and say some things and she feels say a Sikka rhyme, Lisa attack. But you don't know I do with she attack and thing, you see it, so. Queen die a burn a fire. Yeah man, she a burn a fire upon Nuffy and Sikka rhyme and Lisa hype. And all of them we had just a girl only thing you see it. And she a burn a fire upon it. Not remember what she call Amari still, but I don't know how the world works. We are freak with her, you see it. And I try to get a hype off her. Enough of them say them bust from when. Yeah, but them still come and look a hype off a Queenie said speed, you see it, and she don't like that. You see me say if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe. You see it. And the returning viewers them know if you do already. Just drop a comment before you go. You see me? Yeah man, and just like up a video said speed and go and share it out. I go hear a mama Queenie have to say for them trouble Queenie. Yeah man.
Dictate to me about my life. You hear that? Right. Me never see nothing where it hurt me and disturb me, so. Me not even remember about it and that. No. The drunker draw breaks, the dirty bongo when say she come to England for done me. You can't done me England. Me own England. Dirty bongo is a pass buyer. You hear that? All not to compete with me. That's where you go wrong. You like Jassa, you like challenge. Woman. You don't need to challenge me. You come see me like this. You come see me and do my thing. And you want to manipulate my old brain to tell me, say, I was nobody until you came in my life. You made that it and that. You could have come and go in a bucket police got a video shoot. You could have called on phone for thing for bantan me. You see, God, him are the whole of we judge. Do you think and take your glory and move on, madam? You take him and you move on. You bantan me left, right, you bantan me. I'm say, all right, quiet time out, Queenie, let them go. You have your voice. On the side. You know what? You know how humiliated that is? You know much energy that take. If you got delete the song from all platforms, I say your heart corrupted and dirty. That's how that look personal. That look like a something indicted. That not look like say, to my unruly, I'm a god Jamaica and I can't talk to me. You just dump me song and then I recruit people. Nobody can done the Queen. One they can you say so. Are you right and say that girl can't style me? So you know to say you're back and belly right to yourself. Or you feel right tell me no girl can't style me. Yeah. Make girl at the post a call me name. Nobody can hurt up my head and my name what call me there so ignorant. Do nothing and I call my name dot and that. Now call my name. Why I never get on and surprise me and put out to the music and make me shock? Why not provoke me and not fatigue me for me sit down and say, oh, them are going to say this and them are going to say that. I don't give a no one. You hear that? And that's my argument. My words is my band. You first disrespect me as a man. As a man. You disrespect me. You sign me publicly. And because your dirty friend Nuffy, and Nuffy the dirty man name, you say all you Nuffy, but I save up my crispy. Because you can't use my manure. But when this shit dry, Nuffy, and Nuffy the man name, try not even manure it can do. And you go crawl behind my back like one Miss Jane, Miss Liza, Miss Mother Long Tongue in a minute. Kurt. Queenie got Jamaica too quick. Uno did have sign me persisting. Uno have no booking for me. I have all of the booking for myself because people want me for me. Not even for the song. People want me for my personality and my craziness. I don't have booking for me and I tell them for pay stuck in a boring great England where the person never move. You move at England, the road them turn off. When you look at be a rain and fall with the dirty ugly leaf them on the road. And you are denying me from my long I go tell me, say, your brethren say me should have gone to Jamaica. You're a Miss Jane, Miss Liza. Now watch life and report to that. You understand me? Allow me a long time out there, I swallow with no dot. Me a fight, you know. Me avoid no go, me avoid no coming, me avoid no go. You send me John Kodra Blake's call me name. Every year stand up clot and I'm a box myself and say, Queenie, don't answer your clothes, them a look. Queenie, them a look contents, them a look marketing, no body. You're a non-progressive. You're non-progressive because you're bad mind. All of your talent where you have, you stifle your own talent. Talk to me, I'm a non-progressive element. Talk to me. For your baby music. So why you know the pan top of your iPad for me? Because you are dirty and corrupted. Talk to me. You know, drive me out, me out now. Me not in, me out. I can't do me nothing either. Because I haven't done anything. This my I'm a this back on a dirty blood. You understand? Who no know go do one test and we'll find out and we'll get the answer. Yeah. Them forgot pan yet to no go. Bad mind. No long memory royal crazy them day here. In bad mind for truth. Your bad mind. Me go to Jamaica 2 days after you same song where you give me. I'm going to get called up on 3 shows just to go perform freestyle and for market your song. And I eat your whole grudge against me and penalize me. I pick me and I need your vice principal. Me not take that. Me am own done. Me build myself. No producer, manager, or no promoter whisper in me that I'm conscious. I'm a firm, I'm independent. I'm a fight for me believe in her. So if because me believe in her what me fight for, spend my ears and tell me nothing. That is bad mind. Bad mind. Are you first delete say, yeah, I'm a manager. That is unprofessional. You diss me in front of the public. But who did I watch now? Watch and now realize what me watch. I'm a hold my composure. I'm a go over lava for my own reason. And by your name, come up and tell them the truth. And you wake up and you delete the song. You delete the 2 songs them. You think it burn me? It burn me, but me not burn me like my daughter. It burn me. But because I can't stand losing, because I tell you, you mean say I can't stand losing. And because I can't stand losing, I walk away. I walk away for peace. You understand, Queen? Answer your question. What question me for answer? I wish you just say me for answer. So you not say nothing for answer. Queen, answer the question. I'm sure you see these other parts. Oh, rotten. Me not say nothing on here that replying to your comment. My answer what more answer. No no dictate to me. No go away with no hypocrite self. Go on, nobody not tell me what to do. Me not like no. Go on. Dictate to the queen. The queen understand on my life. Me read what I want to read. Kill clot read I want me for answer to you. Yeah, me telling me a yes, girl. Me a bad that girl. I mean a take chat. And that nothing to me. Don't dictate to me no go. Sing the song. Everywhere me go, them just say, oh, don't do it. Do it. One man to me goodie. That I do it. This I get behind a big joke. Girl, them say man them have a sense for say. You can't do what a man do and still be a lady. So my husband, whatever, me can't do that and still be a lady. I'm name Queen, Lady Gangster. Likewise, a man can't like that frack man and I take woman for done. Personality what I have, my perseveration, my spirit and my energy, my knock at 6. You see my sexiness and my appearance, my knock you at 6. You want me, you gotta run on here, you tell your producer, say, Queenie art. I'm irrelevant. I'm always a. He's a man too. He's a man. Guinea. You sit down and chat my husband, but my husband I left, but you have a man in your house, you're white, and you just come to England. You're not telling me you're but I should put you out too much in time. And you don't make a class. Tell them clear time the white woman put you. Don't make a this in the cause see that woman that should not do me nothing, you know. But when a drop on shoulder, you know. I want to know. One thing can provoke me, I mean a provoke clot. Talk about your baby mother when they are Jamaica ball for you. Don't over here walk and make complain about your woman. Don't make a mix